everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorites for the month of June. This includes skincare and makeup and other fun things. I'm excited about this June favorites. I've missed you guys. I know it's been a hot minute. I've just kind of left y'all hanging and I'm sorry. I just had to take some time off and just regroup, just take like a little break. So I asked you guys over on Instagram stories if you guys wanted to see a get ready with me / life update or a June favorites video, and it was like pretty much 50-50. June favorites had a few more votes than the get ready with me life update, but they still had quite a bit of votes. So I'm still gonna do that get ready with me life update, but I'm just gonna do it after this video. So if you guys want to see me use any certain products in that get ready with me, just let me know down below. I'd be happy to use them. Or if you want me to try something new, maybe I can go hop out and get before I do that video. So let me know down below. I am just gonna jump into this video. Yeah, if you guys like favorites, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Of course, you know the drill. Subscribe, hit the alert button. Thank you so much for watching. And if you wanna see my favorites for the month of June, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I wanna talk about today is going to be these products from Sigma specifically. As you guys have seen, like in my snaps and my Instagram stories, they sent over a package, my first package from Sigma. I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Sigma. Yeah, they sent over a package with like brushes, a sponge, and some makeup, and I've really been enjoying everything, but the things that have stuck out to me the most, first off, I'm gonna talk about this sponge. So this is like their 3D sponge. I'll list it down below, and it's dirty because I just used it and I didn't have time to clean it just yet. This is the 3D blender. I have been absolutely loving this because it is so different than anything else that I have used, and that's because of this tip right here. I love the fact that it gets so detailed into your under eyes, like whenever you're doing concealer, and it just pinpoints, and it's not like too much or anything. It just has such a fine point right there, and I love that for baking, for doing concealer, all of that stuff. I have not been able to put this down. I have not used any other sponge. I love it. The only thing I would change about this sponge is for it to be more fluffy like the Beauty Blender. Like it's a little dense, but I still love it so much. Once you get it really wet and absorbed, it doubles in size and becomes more bouncy. And then the next thing that I absolutely love, which I love everything, let me just tell you that so far, but the next thing that I really love is this Aura face powder. It's in Cor de Rosa. It is just the perfect blush color for me. I love it. It reminds me so much of MAC Melba. It's just like this nice soft muted rose. I really love it. For really any look, I am wearing it right now on my cheekbones. I love using the powder blush brush, the F10. With this, it's just really easy to apply. So I love those products from Sigma. Those are my favorites. I go back and forth between using blush with like shimmer in it and then matte blushes, but I've been doing so much like shimmer and like highlighter on my face lately that I sometimes just like having a matte blush because otherwise it's too much. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna talk about is a hair product, and I've been loving it recently. It's by Amika, and it's their Vandal Volume Powder Spray. I love Amika packaging. It is so cute. Everything smells so good. And I've used like some of their texture spray before and I really liked it. It was like a texture hairspray or hairspray. And I love this product so much because it reminds me of something I used to use in college, because I remember when I went to school, teasing was so popular. Like everyone would tease their hair. Like when I was in a sorority, you'd do like the teasing comb. My big sis Sierra introduced me to this stuff called Dust It, and it was like this powder so similar to this, and you dust it like it was a little shaker bottle. This has more of like a pump, but you dust it in the middle of your hair, and then you really work that product in, massage it in, it gives your hair this awesome texture. I'm not going for that look today, so I did not use this today because I just washed my hair. I like to use it after a day of washing, but if you do want to give it that like more dirty look, then this is perfect. Or like that, you know, like whenever you're styling your hair, but I did not have time to like style my hair today. I'm actually late for dinner right now, but I wanted like a nice sleek straight hair look today. I just went for this. I just felt like it looked best. But whenever I'm doing like curls or waves, or if I want more texture just in my like straight hair, then I use this product and it works so great. It's awesome that it just has the pump and then you massage it in. It's great, especially like in the summer, you want that beachy, wavy hair look. This is like perfect for that. All right, next products I've been obsessing over as far as like face makeup has been cream highlighter. I have just been obsessed with cream highlighter. I love the way that it makes my skin look very wet and dewy. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, if you've seen over on like Snapchat or Instagram, I have been peeling all over my entire body. I got an awful sunburn when I was in Florida, and it is all over my body. And I've been using like aloe vera, lotion, all that stuff, but my skin is just, I got such a bad burn that my whole body is peeling. I've been loving cream highlighter because it makes your skin look full of life. I'm getting a little bit older, so like I like more of a cream product to just give me some life in my skin. And I've been trying out the Sigma Brilliant Shimmer Cream, which kind of has more of like a rose gold sort of a look to it. And then I've also been trying out this organic skin company in the Spotlight. It's like a skin luminizer. And this one I believe is in the shade rose gold, but it kind of has more of like a gold look compared to it, I think. I mean, it has a hint of rose, but it's pretty gold to me. It's not like a yellow gold, it's just kind of like a straight gold, I guess you could say. Moving on to some other products. As far as like skin goes, I've been talking a lot about skin. This is my favorite suntan lotion. It's a bronzing lotion. Or I guess it's a browning lotion, but this is my favorite in the summertime. Just make sure to add SPF to it, because if you don't, you will get burnt like I did. But my problem is I didn't add SPF, and this is the amazing Maui Babe Browning Lotion, all natural, fast dark skin. So this is like a Hawaiian, oh, I didn't shake it well last time I used it either. But this is awesome. You can get this, I believe, at Ulta, and I love this stuff. Sierra also told me about this, my big sis. Thanks, Sierra, for all the awesome recommendations this month. No, but I've been using these things for a very long time. But I would recommend to use like your favorite SPF mixed in, and I love this one right now. This is the Supergoop SPF 50 everyday sunscreen. I got this at Sephora, and I have to mix the two together now because I didn't realize that this didn't have SPF in it, and I screwed up and whatever, got a huge sunburn. But whenever I have used it like the right way, I get a nice bronze tan. I get like the best tan whenever I use that lotion, so I love it. And I thought I'd mention it to you guys because I know a lot of you guys are gonna be at the beach, out by the pool, whatever. Of course, always protect your skin with SPF. I know you'll yell at me if I don't say that, but it's very important to protect your skin for sure. Next thing here is this BIODERMA. I have been a huge BIODERMA user for forever. I love it, and I always use it like after I take off all my makeup. It's like my last step before serum or moisturizer, because sometimes I'll get like black mascara under my eyes and it takes it right off, or if I have any foundation like up in my hairline, it takes it right off there too. So I've started using this blue one. I normally use like the one with the pink cap, and this is the Lotion Hydrant. So this one is a little bit better for dry skin, and I have dry skin, I've talked about several times. I love this stuff, you guys. This is amazing. It doesn't dry out my skin completely. It kind of leaves a little bit of moisture on the skin, and I love this. It's my new favorite toner, I guess you could say. I believe that this is considered a toner. Yeah, tones, renews, radiance, non-rinse. Love this stuff so much. Get your hands on it. I usually get mine from Beautylish. They probably sell it at more places now though. Okay, so the next thing that I've been loving, and I've been using this a lot at nighttime before I go to bed, it is the Organic Skin Company, the Good Oil Honeysuckle and Turmeric Face Oil. This stuff smells so good. Look at the packaging first. It has a little dropper like so. I love their packaging, like how it has like little wood accents. It smells so good. I love the smell personally. With organic honeysuckle and turmeric supercritical extracts, it really is the good oil. I'll agree with that. So this has not broken me out at all. It really has given me a lot of hydration. It says take 2 to 3 drops, massage gently, and wait for your skin to send you a love letter. I just love their brand. It's like really cool packaging and awesome ingredients. So I've really been enjoying this oil. I love oils for my face all the time because I'm dry and I like to be luminous and dewy, so I've been loving that oil. Next makeup product that I'm going to talk about is this brow pomade. So this is the Kat Von D Super Brow Light Brown Longwear Pomade. I got this when it was brand new and it came out. I've been using it for the past couple months and I've really been enjoying it. It took me a while to get used to it because I've not used a pomade in years. So it was really weird, but this is the color. It's kind of a little bit ashy, which is what I like. And I also got like the brush to go with it. Right there. It's very stiff. It took me a minute to figure out like, do I really like this or not? But I just had to figure out how to use it right. You just use a tiny, tiny amount. I usually will fill in with the Anastasia Brow Definer, and then I'll go in and fill in a little bit more with this and be a little bit more precise on the tail of the brow. So I've been really loving this product, and I usually put like the excess product in the cap. You can still use whatever is left in the cap like the next time that you do your makeup, so that's pretty awesome. Okay, so moving on, my favorite lip products of the month is actually what I'm wearing right now on my lips, like I have sparkles on my face. And the first one's gonna be the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Liner. I know this has been around for forever, but I just got my hands on it and I've been loving it. It's like a pinky mauve color. I absolutely love this color. I love colors like this so much, and I lined my lips with that today, and then I've just been loving this. This is my favorite lip liner right now, hands down. The formula is awesome, the color is amazing. I love it. It goes right up there with the Huda Beauty. To me, I love the formula. Then the next lip product that I've been loving is a brand new one, and it's by Marc Jacobs Beauty. This is their lip gloss stick in the shade Sugar Sugar. This is what the packaging looks like. So it looks like their lip gloss, but when you take the cap off, it's just like this lipstick like this, and then you swatch it on your hand, and that's what it looks like. And I think that they go perfectly together. It really is just like the lip gloss in a stick form. So once you put it on, it's literally like wet like a lip gloss. So I love it, and it's great. It's you know, it's pretty much just like the other one. It's not as glossy as the lip gloss, but it's pretty much almost as glossy as a lip gloss, if that makes any sense. All right guys, and that wraps up today's favorites video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the alert button for more videos in the future. Let me know what you want to see next down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.